Pepper Jack, Swiss, and American. I love cheese. It's amazing. I love cheese. I love cheese. It's amazing. I love cheese. It's amazing. Cheese, I use you every day, even on my subway. You and me are A-okay. Is there really more to say? I use you every single day, especially on Sundays. Oh yeah, and American. Don't forget American. We love cheese. It's amazing. We love cheese. It's amazing. We always say American because we are American. Yeah. Yeah.